Fundy Designer has really helped our business over the years. By allowing us to have a relationship. It's not just a software that we're buying and then we move on with our lives. Between the other ambassadors and really Andrew himself, it's completely changed the way that we have sold prints over the years. We met Andrew at a conference way back in 2016 or 2015. And he sat us down and talked to us about how to improve our album sales and how to give more value to our clients over the years. And the other ambassadors are always dropping tips and tricks and things like that. And it's really not just improved our business and improved our bottom line, but it's made our client experience a lot better.
Yeah, with album sales, it used to be something, albums would just cost us money. So I would have the album with just the right amount of pages that were in the package, and that's what they would get, and then it would end up just costing us. And so what we started doing after meeting with Fundy is just creating more, giving them more options to choose from, which made them happier because they got to see all of these possibilities and their photos looking beautiful in an album that they wouldn't have dreamed or imagined themselves. And then we got to sell a lot more pages, which made us a lot more money. So they were happier, we were happier, and the whole process, I used to spend hours and hours in Adobe InDesign going back and forth over email upon email upon email. It would take literally years for people to order their albums, and now we sit down a couple hours and then we get it shipped out, and it's just a game changer.
Total game changer.